This is Zach, and here at the news channel, I'm going to send you over to the Storm Chasers and with Keaton.
Keaton right here today. I'll be trying to catch this movement. It's a tornado. At the speed of 80 miles per hour. Make sure to stay in your basement. Stay safe.
Find a safe shelter like this. Second step is to stay calm. Third step, make sure you want to get on your knees, just like this. Then, put your hands over your head like this. Crouch down.
First tornado never gets out of Colburn. It'll work as a vacuum and sweep down.
This is what you need in a tornado. Non-perishable foods, water, a flashlight, and a radio.